Good morning YouTube family and welcome back to another video. As always, if this is your first time here, please take 2 seconds here today and click the subscribe button. It really helps us grow the engagement and helps us just keep on changing the narrative and sharing Africa and just improving little by little each and every single day. It is another absolutely hot day here in Accra, Ghana. Unfortunately, if you see behind me, it is a little bit overcast, but that doesn't stop it. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's already 31, feels like 35 degrees Celsius, and that is because of Hamatan, and it really makes it look overcast. Sometimes you get a false perception of the weather. You step outside, you realize, damn, it is still really hot. But we have so much once again planned, so I'm going to take you all along with show us a day, show us all these things that many people probably didn't even expect to be in Ghana, didn't expect to be in Africa. So I really hope everyone enjoys this video. Let's keep on changing the narrative. Let's get into the video. Let's keep on just growing this family and the support network and the positivity that we're sharing and just changing the narrative of Ghana, changing the narrative of Africa. And I appreciate each and every single one of you that like the video, comment, share it, and I'll subscribe to the channel. Let's jump into the video. And the place that we have come to for breakfast is Oriental. You've seen it lots of times. I absolutely love it. They have the best hummus and I just love their food here. It's all meze platter style. It is pretty much right off the road. I'll leave the link in the description again for anyone that wants to visit. As I said, there's also a farmer's market, a suit shop, a fish shop. There's Pinkberry and the Fairways grocery store. There's also apartments up there. So we're going to head in now. They know us all here because we come here so often. And the food is just absolutely amazing. Got the whole family with us. So let's go and enjoy. We have just finished off at Oriental. It was really great. Once again, the food is always really brilliant. I'm so full afterwards, and it's just a great portion size for your value. That's why we absolutely love it. We always do it as a brunch type setup because then we can build up our appetite. We can go and then eat it. You can see there's a beautiful Range Rover SVR behind me, blue, ridiculously expensive car. This is a very popular scent, but we're gonna hop in now. We've got some more exciting stuff to show all of you. So stay tuned and let's head there now. This is the center we are coming to. It is called Orca Mall. It is on Spintex Road. When we first originally came here, we got all of our furniture shopping here, and it was just this one tiny little building with all the furniture in, and now it's turned into this gigantic place. We'll go around, take you around and show you all. If you're moving to America, if you're coming to Ghana, this is the place to come. My mom was saying I'd be blown away when I came to look at this because the last time I was here was around 4 years ago. And it is absolutely massive. So I'm also super excited to go in the inside, look around, see what they have, because it is just honestly massive. And they had all the furniture you need. We decorated our whole house and everything from the store. So let's go inside and see what they have. There are numerous different sections. You can see electronic appliances and lighting. And then they have a central area with 4 different entrances. So you choose the area you want to go and look. So we're right now on the home decor and appliances, electrical on the other side. You can see how neat it is, and it just goes on forever. Obviously, because it's been around the Christmas period, they still have all the Christmas stuff up. But this place is super impressive, really massive. And they also have a lovely outside area with a VDE cafe where you can sit, get some drinks, get some food. The checkout areas are beautiful. Elevators, escalators to go up top. So we're just going to make our way around, show you all, because this has honestly blown me away. Never expected to see anything like this here, especially from when I was here a couple of years ago, to see the development, to see how much it has changed. how neat it is, how clean it is, aircon in here, sanitization, and it's just going to be absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to explore more of it. In the furthest corner now, you can also see you can get all your stuff for your curtains, to your curtain rails, to your bedding, your linen, children's shops, children's stuff. You can see how far down all these aisles go, just for days and days and days, just never ever ending. And it just goes section on section on section. This is only one out of like the 6 sections we are currently in, but it's blown me away. I never thought I would ever be able to see this at this type of capacity and this type of level, with everything from imported toys to what you can find in every corner of the earth. The most luxurious furniture. They even have dirt bikes for sale in here. They have like SUVs for children that you can hire. Obviously they're all very expensive, but even a G63 G-Wagon, Land Rover, a little digger, some dirt bikes over there. Absolutely incredible. Super blown away, and well done Ghana for having something on this scale. Stories on stories. It is beautiful. And then just outside here is the little V2E coffee shop that you can see that's in amongst all the shopping area. They've got a beautiful little area in here. It's nice and warm outside. They have some umbrellas to keep you shaded. You can see it's a double story with all the beautiful light. And then these pictures that have been painted on the walls also just look amazing. There's the name of the shop called Orca. You can see they have some fountains going over there. Really beautiful, decorated, people sitting outside enjoying coffee. There's the coffee shop there with the little sandwich bar, plants everywhere, and it's just a beautiful day. You can see how much it's cleared up since this morning when we thought it was going to rain. Like, this is just absolutely mind-blowing. It's so busy on the inside, so many different options. And to think of what it was a couple years ago when we first moved to Ghana, a little warehouse with stuff just all over the place, now being so well organized to all the 3 different sections on each side. But let's head back inside and see what else we can show you all, and then try and see if we can get upstairs. As we make our way from outside and we come into this section, this is the home decor section and just interior design. You can see how massive it is. Couches, beds, lighting fixtures. It is absolutely incredible. Look how far deep it goes. So much to offer. All different layouts, all different designs. They also have down here beautiful paintings, and then we go a little bit further here. They have all their carpets, also dining room tables, and so many options, so many varieties, just as good as you can find absolutely anywhere in the world. You can find here in Accra, in Ghana. Absolutely amazing. This is just to see a breakdown of everything that they have. So on the ground floor, you've got your carpets, your dining room, electronics, houseware, living furniture, kitchen cabinets. And then on the first floor, which is one level above us, you have your adult bedroom, concept office, dining room, designer collections, your gardens, your living room furniture, your mattress, your outdoor storage, and your toys, what you get through these escalators. And then in this section here, they have completely done up kitchens that it says designed by Orca, made in Italy, and you can literally just come and have a walk around. It's pretty much like an Ikea, but the Ghanaian version of Ikea. You can come and say you like those cabinets with that, countertops with that, and it's actually super impressive. All your different options, the countertops, the different types of stoves, the finishes, everything like that. I'm very impressed. You can literally come build a house from scratch here, find everything you need from start to bottom, top to bottom, and it is just incredible. Now we are on to the first floor, which is a designer section, and you can see why it's a designer section. This is where the big bucks are spent. Look at this layout. It's probably the nicest furniture shop I've ever been into in my life, and I've lived in quite a few countries and had to check them all out. So like I said, we've got the whole family exploring. This is absolutely gorgeous. All the different sections, how far down it goes, all these, I love these wraparound couches. I think these are the ideal if you've got big families, like, and how each little different thing is a completely different setup. It goes as far as the eye can see down that way. This is absolutely incredible. Also all the way down there, we come through here, any type of finishes you want. They've got some gold finishes this side, gold finishes that side. Got some wood if you like it green. They have greens here. This is absolutely incredible. This is honestly one of the coolest things that I've witnessed here in Ghana, and if you're moving now, this is a great shop to come and look at. You can furnish your whole place. It'll probably be quite pricey, but still, all of this stuff, like look at this furniture here. It is absolutely incredible. Even this wraparound culture, this is something you see in like housing books and magazines, where they have the massive TV and they have a massive wraparound couch. Also this wall art with the actual wood. It is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You can see downstairs to the lower level there, and all of your options. Wow, wow, wow. I think I've said wow about 500 times during this video, because I'm just completely blown away by all the artwork, by all the statues, by the decor, by absolutely everything that is on offer. Like this beautiful culture, that couch there, very similar to the one I've got in my apartment back in Belgium, and how every little corner is a different setup. Like look how far down that goes. Absolutely mind-blowing. What a beautiful, beautiful store. Now we have made our way just across to the west wing, where you got garden, children's bedroom, adult bedroom, mattress and sports. You can see the entrance hall that way, the coffee shop that way. Absolutely beautiful. And then when we make our way just a little bit down here through it, you can see straight away it is just absolutely amazing. Imagine having a bedroom looking like that. All the outdoor furniture also in this direction. We make our way down here, and it is just absolutely massive. All these individual areas, I am absolutely blown away. That is super, super amazing. You see it at so many top boutique hotels, and it just goes on forever and forever with all the different options you can choose, and completely kit out your house, completely kit out your bedroom. Wow, wow, wow. We have just been making our way around looking at all the outside furniture, and we thought, oh, this looks quite nice. This could be a nice addition to our garden and our outside area, until we saw the price. Guess right now in the comment section how much you think these 3 pieces of furniture cost, and I can guarantee you right now you would not be able to guess, because the price of these 3 is 65,000 Ghanaian cedis. You might be thinking I'm joking. It's actually 65,500 Ghanaian cedis for these 3 pieces of furniture. You got to be a really high roller to be able to justify spending that type of money when it could be going to other causes. But really, really beautiful, all the different options. Now we're going to make our way down through the kids area, see what we can find on the far end. These are what I was saying, what I really, really like, what you see at a lot of the high-end boutique hotels in Dubai, and some really luxurious ones in Ghana, where you can rent them out and sit in like that. I think my dad's all retired. He's having a nice little sit down now, or maybe he just likes the chair. Got my mom, got brother. Maybe they like the chair for the outside area. And then all your outdoor living here, foosball, pool tables, ping pong. This is super, super amazing actually. And then just some more outside furniture. So if anyone likes anything here, wants to come check it out, come to Orca and give it a try. From the far end, they have all the different types of mattresses you can give a try out, with all the different types of pillows, orthopedic pillows like that one. That's one I actually have at home, and everything like that this side. And then we're in the back end now, so you can see there's just more beds, more furniture, more painting, just a whole lot of absolutely everything. But it's really, really well designed, really beautiful interior design, and everything that has gone into putting these places together is really, really beautiful. Look at these setups of the rooms they've done. And then they have another lounge suite, this section here, into the bedroom, into another bedroom through there, and then down here. But we just finished up here at Orca. You can see I'm squinting, it's really, really bright. But as you can see, there's a little like choo-choo, little buggy thing that's just taken people. They're going to take them to their cars, which is absolutely amazing. But this whole building in itself is blowing me away. It's bigger than I thought it was. It's fancier than Ikea. It's more sought out than Ikea, and it's more well run, and you don't get as lost in it as you do in Ikea. So I'm really, really impressed to find something like this in Accra, find something like this in Ghana on the home soil. So now we're going to head to the car, see what we have planned for the rest of the day. It's really, really, really busy morning, because it's only around 1 o'clock, and we've done so much, but it was absolutely amazing coming here, checking this place out. As I said, everything will be in the link in the description. If you think you're moving to Ghana, if you want to come check it out, get price of stuff, this is your place to come and do it. Let's head on with the day. have just been spending our afternoon at the pool. It's been a really lovely day. It was so busy. We came home, chilled a little bit, and then we were like, let's go and spend the afternoon at the pool. So right now it's about 4:30, and I was going through the footage and I realized that I have so much footage, so I'm not going to do any more in the evening. I'm just going to chill, spend time with my family, so then I can conclude the video there. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the support. If you're still watching at this point, and if you're not already part of the family, take 2 seconds today, click the like button, click the subscribe button, so we can just keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving little by little each and every single day to achieve our goals, while spreading beautiful Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. And I'll see you all in the next video.